Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add money in your PayPal account. So first things first, here at the PayPal, go ahead and go on to the menu button and click on the wallet. And once you're signed in, you'll have three options to add payment on your PayPal account. You can link a bank or you can link a card. And also here down below, if you click PayPal balance, let's go ahead and click on it. Once you're here, you can have an option to send payment on your account. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any more questions, and I'll make sure to answer them all. And thanks for watching. See ya.